Good morning, students. Here is class 3, chapter 2, the magic garden. We here will learn in workbook. So, here are question answers. Text based questions. 1. Read the following lines from the poem and answer the questions that follow. We love the little children, said a tiny bird. छोटे बर्ड ने कहा, टाइनी यानी छोटा, बर्ड ने कहा हम ये बच्चों को बहुत प्यार करते हैं, छोटे बच्चों को. They are kind and they bring bread for us. Bread यानी खाना. All the flowers said we must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon. Why do the birds love the children? Answer: because the children are kind and bring bread for birds. 2. Why do the flowers want to work hard? The flowers wanted to work hard to make their dresses very pretty. What does here in the context refer to? Here in the context refers to the magic garden. Choose the correct option. 1. It was called a magic garden as C. The fairies used to come there. 2. The gardeners of the magic garden were B. The school children. 3. The flowers loved the children because they, answer is B, watered them. 4. The sun was pleased to see the, answer C, children running about in the golden sunshine. Now next page. True and false. The wings of the fairies were made of flowers. False. The magic garden was located in a school playground. True. The sunshine never fell on the magic garden. False. The marigold had a golden race. True. Very short answers. Whom did the poppies love the most? The poppies loved dear little one the most. Second question, what did the marigold say about the boys? The marigolds say the boys are good to us. 2. They dig the ground so well. 3. Why did the sunflower lift his head proudly? One child said, "Oh, look at the tall sunflower." Listening this, the sunflower lifted his head proudly. What did fairies do in the magic garden? They danced and talked with the children. Why was the magic garden quiet that night? Because ये कुछ नहीं है. Flowers and birds were asleep. वो sleeping, सो रहे थे. 3. Name any 2 flowers that are mentioned in the chapter The Magic Garden. Marigold, poppy, pansy and sunflower. Language based questions. Write past tense of the following words. Words के past tense लिखने हैं यहाँ पे. 1. Lift तो lifted. 2. Dance तो danced. 3. Stand तो stood. And 4. This is also written. Stop तो stopped. So here are question answers. First short type of answers. You read this and answer this. Practice also. Here are options and true false. Thus our Unit 1's chapter The Magic Gardens question answer ends here. Now here is गुड मॉर्निंग्स रिमेनिंग पार्ट हियर. यहाँ पे जो लैंग्वेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं और ये क्वेश्चंस हैं, मैंने पढ़ाए नहीं थे, आप पढ़ लेना, समझ लेना, यहाँ पे बता रहा हूं. What questions does the child ask in the poem Good Morning? Who? Answer is, who told you night had gone away? 2. Is the child in the poem awake or asleep? The child in the poem is awake. Language based questions. 1. Write down the plural form of the following words. 1. Sky to skis, grass to grasses, day to days, night to nights, morning to mornings. 2. Find out 2 words that rhyme with the words given below and write them. Sky, white, try, night, right side, sun, gun, none. 3. Write down the opposites of the words given below and also make sentences using them. Morning, evening. The sun sets in the evening. Awake, asleep. He was asleep late in the morning. Day, night. The night was very dark. Up, down. Down the hill there was a hut. Right, wrong. One should not write wrong answers. Do as directed. Do as directed. 1. A meal that you take in the afternoon is lunch. The place where you go in the morning is school. What you do at night is sleep. When you get hurt, you weep. Weep yani rona. It ends with fast and you have it in the morning, breakfast. So आफ्टरनून के बाद लंच खाते हैं, मील यानी खाना. आफ्टरनून के बाद लंच. मॉर्निंग को कहाँ जाते हैं? तो स्कूल. नाइट को स्लीप, सो जाते हैं. और हॉट यानी ईजा होती है तो हम वीप यानी रोने लगते हैं. और फास्ट के साथ ब्रेक आता है, ब्रेकफास्ट. ओके, बाय.